Welcome back, everyone. It is a Friday, and the train came through at 5 o'clock this morning. That was the eastbound going west to Valiant, and then my friends went home for the morning, for the rest of the evening. Dropped the train off in Valiant, and now my friends, my friends are usually driving the local to Valiant, or they're not driving to Valiant tonight. They picked the train up in Valiant, so tonight they're picking up the locals load and taking the eastbound back to Hugo. And here they come right now, coming right in that corner. I'm here in Fort Towson, Oklahoma, and here they come. There's Kiamichi Freddy. There goes my friends driving the eastbound back to Hugo. They picked up the locals load, and so my friends decided not to pull the eastbound. My friends decided not to pull the pull the engines from Hugo to do the local run. Instead, they decided to use the eastern run instead. And look at that, good speed. Ooh, look at them go. They're getting it. They're getting back to Hugo. So sorry if it's confusing, but those are my friends that drives the train from Hugo to Valiant, known as the local turnaround. So they're not driving the local tonight. They're driving the eastbound. So they decided to use the eastbound to pull the local and the eastbound load together as one. So they didn't have to bring out the other trains, the other two girls from Hugo. So that's what they done. So that's pretty cool. Fully loaded train. That was pretty cool hearing that. And right now it is 25 degrees out here, and my feet are cold in my ears. Right now it's 3:01. So yep, be about 3 o'clock in the morning. So midnight train here. Midnight train here in Fort Townsend, Oklahoma. Yep, they're heading westbound at 3:01, and it is 25 degrees out here. So, whew, hope y'all like this video, everyone. I missed that train coming through this morning, but I'm glad I get to get it. I'm glad I get to get up right now at this hour and catch them right now. It's Friday, and about in a couple hours, it'll be Friday. Be Friday morning. So it probably is maybe Friday morning. So, whew. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Marshall out there films the Queen Eastern Road and the Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails. Whew. See you later. Be safe out on the hot iron. Be safe out there, and be good out there, and be safe out there. See you later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Live action on the Kiamichi Railroad. See you next time. Live action here. I'll see you next time. Marshall out. Thank you for watching. Right now it's too cold for them to wave out the window. So if you might see them wave like this out the window, that's them saying hi. Saying hi. So if not, don't worry about it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Rail fan Marshall out that films the Kiamichi Railroad and the Queen Eastern Railroad on the hot rails. See you next time. Marshall out. Thank you for watching. It is Friday night. So, well, it's the beginning of Friday morning. So, it's almost at the end of Thursday. So, Thursday night. So, whatever. It is the midnight train going west. So, they're going westbound. See you next time to Hugo. They're going. See you next time. Marshall out. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you for watching.